Hello and welcome to an edited tutorial by Blackbox-av. Today we will be editing the PageTurn template in order to create a usable application for the viewer. We will start by opening the PageTurn template. First of all, we can choose to add a logo by pressing the image file option beneath the logo category. Pressing Browse will open up a file browser to navigate to your chosen logo. Press Accept to save this logo and we can begin changing its properties. We can adjust the scale of the logo, whether it is visible or not, and both the horizontal and vertical position of the selected logo. Next, we can edit the title. We are able to change the text, visibility and position of it again. We will be making the title invisible for this demo. Moving on to the background properties, we are able to browse to our preferred background and select it. Pressing Accept will set the chosen image as the background. Now, we have the ability to manipulate the layout options for this PageTurn template. There are multiple default layout options. The random one displays all the content in random positions each time. The grid displays all the content in a full screen grid, and the tile displays all the contents across the screen using tiles. We can also set whether we want people using the application to be able to alter the current layout using the buttons in the top right. The toolbox is included with this template, but generally it is advised that you turn the visibility of this feature off for public use. Again, you can set the alignment of this to the left or right hand sides if you wish to keep it visible. Next up, we have the mail configuration settings. This is included in the template due to the toolbox features. We don't need to change any of these options as they are only used if you have the toolbox enabled. Moving on to the content, we are able to upload images, videos or PDFs. The main feature of PageTurn is displaying PDFs, so we'll focus primarily on those instead of images and videos as they work better with the media table template. We're able to add as many images, videos or PDFs as we want. We'll begin by adding a selection of PDFs to highlight the PageTurn application's functionality. To import a single PDF, you can click Browse and you will import a single file. However, the quickest way to do this for multiple PDFs is to drag and drop them into the editor. Minimize the editor and open up the folder containing your PDFs. Select all the PDFs you wish to import, drag them onto the editor window and drop them on the plus icon beneath the PDF tab. The importing process will now begin. We'll be skipping ahead here as it will take a while depending on the amount of files being imported and their individual size. As seen here, changing the layout alters how the content is displayed. Users of the application are able to do this with the buttons on the top right. Now our PDFs have been added, we're able to alter their title and descriptions if necessary. We can also delete these files by pressing a little red cross on the right side of the chosen file in the list. Finally, we have successfully added some demo content to our PageTurn application. In order to save this, we'll need to navigate to the Save As button, which is the icon of the floppy disk with the plus on it. Here, we can choose the application name that will be displayed on the menu in the viewer and which icon we want to be displayed with it. Feel free to upload a custom icon, use a preview or a default image from the icon gallery. When you're happy with your selections, press Accept and you will now choose where to save the application file and what name to save it as. We will just call this PageTurn. We will cover how to import this into the viewer in another tutorial. If you'd like to view more tutorials for the editor and viewer software, please continue watching or visit our channel.